going to talk? Are you going to talk? Show me your pretty wing. Oh! Yay!
Part of the mission that we have is making sure that people who are interested in parrots as pets, that they are bonded to the right parrot, and that the parrot actually chooses them, not the other way around. You'll find 3 or 4 of these yellow napes, for example, and one of them will actually come towards you as the other ones will hold back. And that's where they actually choose you as a partner rather than the other way around. And that's one of the big problems at times with pet stores, that people buy a pet much as they would a dog or a cat, but parrots are much more intelligent than that, and they choose you much less than you choosing them.
Chica, hang on. Are you ready? Are you ready? La la la, la la la, la la la, la la. Give me kisses. So Chica's a yellow-naped Amazon, and they're great talkers, but they're also great opera singers. Are you going to sing? This is a toucanet. It's called a green aracari, and they're from Ecuador and Colombia. There's a border where they're indigenous to. And I just think they're wonderful.
A lot of personality.
Yeah, and they're quiet. We like that, don't we?
Yes, we do.